Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David.
I'm Tina, and we're excited to introduce a new format for some of our videos.
That's right. So from now on, in some of our videos in certain locations, we're going to show you 3 things.
And first, we're going to show you something you might already know about the area.
Then we're going to take you to a really cool restaurant or pub that we've encountered.
And finally, we're going to take you to a unique place that you wouldn't expect.
So we are at the Hilton Head Island, Burkes Beach in Hilton Head. Oops. We are
Learning how to walk?
Yeah. Trying to record and walk at the same time.
Yeah?
Watching out for alligators.
Definitely watching out for the alligators. I'm a little nervous about them.
And spiders. I don't like spiders.
Yeah, the one running right across you a few minutes ago.
Yeah, if I'd seen that, we probably just would turn around. Call it a day.
Yep.
Yep. All right, so we're going to turn the camera around, give you guys a view of the Hilton Head Beach, Burkes Beach edition. So we came down the other day when we first got here and we checked it out. And there were pubs running all over the place. We're gonna give ours a shot, see how well they do. Wish us luck. All right, this is the first time these guys have seen the ocean.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you'll understand how much I need ya. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid. 'Cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be.
What's the matter, Denver? You enjoying the beach water?
I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
Saltwater bath on his behind, I guess. Probably does feel good.
Look how much fun they're having. Having fun? Huh? You having fun?
Annie, that's far enough.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back
Get over here.
Because now I see we were meant to be.
Fun. You having fun, mister? Hey, you having fun? I know you are.
Hi everyone, here we are at South Carolina and it's a 93-degree day. And what we've decided to do on this 93-degree day is to check out the local brewery, which is Lot 9 Brewery, and check out some of their craft beers.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to this. There's several in the area. This one came up at the top of the list, and so we're going to try this one out. We might try another one out tomorrow.
That's correct.
If so, well, If so, we'll definitely record
Yeah.
it. All right, we're gonna check it out, and we're gonna bite to eat. They do not have a in-store restaurant, if you will, but they have like carts, and they change daily. So today, I believe food trucks. Sorry,
Yeah.
but they, I think today's was the Lawyer's Barbecue.
And sweets, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not so sure about the lawyer part of that.
Here we are.
Oh, well, look at that.
Yeah.
We could have brought them.
Yeah, we could.
This is the double IPA.
Oh,
to get
perfect.
used to that, and then that's the next step up. That's Indian Pale Ale Lager.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
good, thanks. All right, well.
Cheers. So we've tried the rice and
Rice and easy lager.
Yeah, we've tried the rice and easy lager. It's pretty good. Next, we're gonna try the Indian Pale Lager, which here we go. Yeah, no, it's not a fan of that. So let me take a drip of water.
Just lap.
Lap dance from, oh, I'm sorry, it's lap dance from Amber.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to have one of those.
Lap dance for Amber, here we go. Yeah, this is more like what I like. It's good. So look how pretty that color is.
What do you got, Tina?
Well, I got a pork barbecue sandwich with beans and macaroni and cheese. What'd you get?
And that's what I got.
It's lager.
And of course we got some. Well, we got the red, the ambers.
It's not only an amber, but it's a lap dance.
Oh, lap dance.
Amber.
I told you I was gonna do lap dance.
From Amber. Lap dance from Amber.
We are at the Kazoo's
Yeah.
location. So we are going to take you on a tour with us on how they make kazoos.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be fun.
It's gonna blow you away.
It's gonna blow you away. All right, let's head on inside.
Hi.
You got just a few minutes. That's actually a tour guide, and she can go over everything with you. Welcome to Kazoo. Are you here for the tour?
I swear that's not me.
Myself.
Did you recognize that too?
At its heart, it may be nothing more than a piece of tissue paper and some plastic. But when played correctly, it can bring people together in the spirit of goodwill and brotherhood. Particularly when those people are inebriated and plied with German sausage.
So it's a huge big plastic company, okay? And they make parts for like Stanley and Disney and automobile industry, and they make our bodies. We gave them our mold, we gave them our patent, and they make them exclusively for Kazoo. So when you make your kazoo, on the bottom, you're going to see Made in USA Kazoo Kazoo. So what we do with the assembly here is we assemble the whole capping system, the whole top piece. Attach it to the horn. Ready? Yeah! We made it so you can put your wazoo tops on. Now you're changing the whole dynamics of your kazobo sound into a deeper type of sound. And it's also known as a wacky kazobo when you start adding these attachments. Here we go. And then I pull it down. And I keep pulling it down. See these little holes here? These are the little resonator holes that gives your kazoo the hum. All right, we put the foil around here. I have a sparkly foil on here right now. It's full of sparkles. And it's for our in-house stamp ourselves. So you're going to get a big treat out of this sparkly one. All right, so we load the foil here. Wow. We take the kazoo. We put it in this cradle here. These are 2-hand safety features for our hands, right? So because this is hot, 590 degrees. We don't want to get burned. So both fingers go in at the same time. They come down and hit a pad. When they hit that pad, it releases that onto the body of the kazoo. Ready? Ready. All right. Now I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make another one there. Feel that. 590 degrees of heat.
Wow.
Glitter.
2,000. It is glitter.
I love it.
Isn't that nice? All right. So this is your hum.
Yeah.
Now when we set a stamp up, I can tell you a little bit more because the kids don't really understand. And then you're going to put the cap. You got your cap. And then just put it on so it doesn't wobble. You don't have to push it down all the way because this is going to seal it. And then it's wobbling on this side. There we go. And then just punch it all the way to the back.
Punch it all the way in?
Yep. Maybe too high. It's
It's still
wobbling.
there you
Yep.
go.
Go ahead. Okay. Now give it a hum. Go. We'll do a little song. So anyway, when we set a stamp up, sometimes it's misaligned. It takes us about 3 or 4 kazoos,
Okay.
right, to line them up to get that stamp's perfect. So we don't throw them away. We, of course, sell them at a discounted price in the gift shop and website. But missionary groups come and pick them up, and they bring them overseas to schools.
Oh, that's
And
nice.
the kids send us back pictures. So that's the part that's really dear to our
Yeah.
hearts.
Love it.
Yeah, when we do that. So everything's recycled.
Yeah, very
now
cool.
Pick your body.
Ooh,
body,
okay,
your
let's
neck,
see. I'll
son.
do green. And, oh, yep,
There's your hum.
there's my hum.
It just sits right on that shelf.
All right.
Get your hum, hun.
All right, let's see. I'm going to do yellow. Nice contrasting colors.
Yeah. And then just punch all the way to the back.
Okay, here we go.
Awesome. Hum. We're going to do You Are My Sunshine.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Everybody know that? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You're blown. My hammer came off. Oh, it didn't? Oh, it didn't. Oh.
No, it's in
Oh,
there.
okay, great.
Sorry. That's a wrap. Yep.
That's a wrap.
So I'll
This scan?
Yes, sir, I did take it. Would you like a receipt printed?
Yes, please.
No problem.
You don't, I knew she'd blow hard, but come on. All right, so we had a blast in the Kazoo factory. Made our own kazoos.
Yes.
Got some T-shirts and good swag and stuff like that. It
Yeah.
was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We highly recommend a trip to this This factory, it'll crack you up.
Yeah,
It's so much
it's a lot of fun. So
Yes.
if you're in the Hilton Head area, make your way over here to the Kazoo factory, take a tour, and
Keep calm and
Kazoo
keep it
on. Talk to you soon.
Bye now.